The sun's a red eye on the edge of the world. The highway's a ribbon, black and curved. I don't need a map, I don't need a destination. Just a full tank of gas and a vibration. The city's a ghost in the rearview mirror. The faster I go, the vision gets clearer. Leave the static on the wire, trade the water for the fire. Heartbeat sinks with the pistons roar. I'm kicking down the velvet door. Full throttle, chasing the light, cutting through the veins of the neon night. Leaning into the curve, feel the gravity bend. Where the road starts to break is where I begin. Yeah, we're living on the edge of the bottle, wide open, full throttle. Chrome and leather, a symphony of steel. The only truth is the way that I feel. No boss, no clock, no digital chains. Just the wind in my lungs and the oil in my veins. If the law wants a piece, tell them good luck catching. I'm a blur on the asphalt, a lightning bolt sketching. The world is a cage, but the road is the key. Twist the grip, set the animal free.